Hi, I'm Kris Bliesner. I'm co-founder and CEO of Vega Cloud. Vega Cloud is a cloud optimization platform. So it's a software as a service that you can subscribe to if you use public cloud infrastructure, and we'll help you optimize it. Public cloud infrastructure gets used by businesses of all shapes and sizes. So healthcare, banking, finance, manufacturing, retail, you name it. Anybody that has data centers or IT or technical infrastructure typically uses cloud infrastructure. So I love cloud computing, and a lot of people do. It's a great resource for people to use for solving business problems with technology. And it's also where the future is going. So if you think about mainframes, and that used to be current gen, and now people think that's really, really old technology. That moved on to client server, and people would build their own data centers and house their own servers and storage within their own data centers. And now you have cloud computing where you don't have to build a huge facility and put it in the basement somewhere or in a closet and house your own servers and manage all that stuff. You can literally rent servers by the hour now and pay for just for what you're using. It's very much like a utility now. So we pay our utility providers for how much we use and not a penny more. Same with cloud computing, though it's a lot harder to leverage that way. And so we want to provide a platform that makes it easier for people to get the value out of cloud computing so that everybody can use it. So we can democratize access to the technology, get it out to more businesses, let them be optimized, and allow them to use this stuff without having surprise bills or spending more than they ought to. So Vega Platform is our core offering, and that's built for enterprises who are consuming public cloud at scale. So we define scale at typically more than $100,000 a month or more in public cloud infrastructure. So those are typically bigger companies that use that. And then Vega, Atelier, and SecureWork Remote are built for smaller businesses, but can also be used by large companies. And that's really just one workload optimized versus the entire platform of stuff that they might have. One of the things that makes Vega unique is our multi-cloud view. Today, multi-cloud is a reality. So you don't want to buy all your infrastructure from one provider. And so you might buy some from Amazon, some from Microsoft, and some from Google. And you want to see all that spend all up in the way that you organize your business. And Vega provides you that one view. All the other tools in the industry typically make you switch between cloud provider views, which is really frustrating because if you're looking for your marketing spend across all those, it's really hard to get to. At Vega, we have an awesome culture because we think about things in particular value traits like work hard, play hard, win as a team, being able to dream big. So dreamer is one of our values. Being able to work on hard problems and do that while having fun is something that drives a lot of job satisfaction for folks at Vega, and I think that helps people have a rewarding career here. So one of the reasons why I love having a startup in the Spokane area is that there's lots of options for funding for technology companies or startups. In fact, we have access to the Spokane Angel Alliance, Kickstart funds, Ignite Northwest. Those kinds of things have been super helpful for us early on as we build out the company and the product and those kinds of things. And local area angel funds and angels have been super supportive of us. And then we've been able to grow enough to be able to bring in outside funding. And so I'm happy to announce that we just closed a $9 million funding round between Album Venture Capital out of Salt Lake City and Sun Mountain Capital out of New Mexico.